How do I parse a non-standard date format in Excel? I have a column of date-like string values in the format UMDD, such as the 13th of September 2011. I need to convert these to Excel date serial numbers so that I can use them in formulas. Data value isn't able to recognize this format. I just get hashtag value when I try. It also does not take a custom date format, unlike most programming languages. How can I convert arbitrary date formats into Excel date values?
You'll need to do string parsing, then pass an appropriate formatted value into DATI value, something like this. Edit, updated formula, tested and it works for me on one example, may need to refine depending on your input.
Note that month names are Windows regional options specific. So, if your Windows regional options are set to Ukrainian, then DATI value would return hashtag value for November 7, 2012, but would accept 07-2012.
Excel's DATI value function is region dependent. If you parse a string like April 11, 2008 in Europe, that would be parsed as 4th of November and in the US as 11th of April. To get around this, you can make use of the date serial function and do the parsing yourself. This can also be easily adapted to your own non-standard date format.
As others have noted, the Excel data value function is region or locale dependent. For parsing UMDD, you can use the date function with explicit parsing. For variable-sized fields, such as the 9th of September 2021, it gets a little interesting. There are probably simpler ways.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.